What's going on, guys? Bruce here with Bullish Currency, back at you with another Shiba Inu update, guys. This is going to be a daily thing, right? Especially with these specific coins like Shiba right now, because all the hype is around Shiba, and there's a lot of good news and some bad news, right? Before we get into that, right? As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, right? Support the channel and definitely comment below because you might know some things that we definitely can use over here, guys. Definitely greatly appreciate it. And as always, all the information we share here on this channel and in these videos is strictly for entertainment and education purposes only. It is not financial advice, right? You do whatever you want. You are your own adult. So with that being said, let's get right into it, guys. So let me go ahead and fix this real quick. All right, here we go. So Shiba right now, currently, we see a little bit of red. We see a little bit of green. I like the 27% increase in the 24-hour volume. I definitely like that. Real quick, let's take a look at the holders before I go into some news. Look at that, right? Another big incline. I mean, another big incline, another big bullish move on the holder side. Now, I want to take a look at news because I do have some news to share. Just wondering if it's already here. Shiba Inu will scoop up 100 billion Shiba tokens in a week despite tumbling prices. But why? Look at that, guys. Insane. We're talking about that for a while, too. Google market cap, scary pattern. Could send BTC below 10. Woo, that's scary. Right. And who knows, at the end of the day, I think we are in for some big bearish move. I think we're entering a bear market, to be honest. I think we are. But here's some more news for Shiba Inu. So Mercado Bitcoin, the largest crypto exchange in Latin America, announces Shiba listing. So they actually listed Shiba. So now another major platform listed Shiba, guys. You know that's good news. You know that's just going to equal more bullish movement. On another note, they BitGet tweeted that they added Shiba to their futures trading. So now you can go ahead and trade Shiba on their platform, right? So that's just more exposure, right? These are community-based, driven tokens and coins, right? So basically they have more hype around it. They have more people talking about it because now people could talk about trading with it, right? Just like how I mentioned, Osprey Forex Broker now has Shiba, right? So that just creates more talk when it comes to Shiba, more community, stronger community, more people being added to the community. As you can see, the holders are increasing at a very rapid rate, despite the bearish movement currently. I mean, we're going to take a look at the chart again here soon, and you can see it did go bearish a little bit again. As we mentioned it, that it was a good possibility that it did, and that's kind of what happened. So we got some news, but you can see the holders are steady increasing, and you can see the 24-hour volume is green right now. So that's also good. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart, guys, real quick. Here we go. So look at this, right? Let's go ahead and zoom out. We're still overall in this range, so there's nothing to be scared about in general, but we're just retesting this area that we just broke out of. And we're also retesting the trend line at the same exact time. So this, for me, this is a critical area because it should hold here and it should start to go bullish here. And we should start to see some bullish patterns forming to where it pushes right back up to where it just was over there at quad 5.5 area, I believe. It's going to go right back up there from here. It should. If this is a successful retest, if it's really just going to respect this area here right now and this trend line, this is the area it has to do that. If not, then obviously if it breaks through, most likely it's just going to come down to these areas down here that it skyrocketed from before because we had another bullish pattern down there. So the same thing can happen. But honestly, I feel like, what I would like to really see and what I am expecting to see is it actually hold, right here where it's at. But I wouldn't be surprised if it did drop a little bit, go back down to quad 037. Definitely possibility, but we don't want to see that. We want to see a nice bullish engulfing candle get formed in the next 2.5 hours on this candle, this 4-hour candle. We want to see this thing start to form bullish patterns and pick back up to where it left off, get back up to quad 055 area. And then we really want to see it do this, right? We want to break out of this whole zone up here, the quad 056 area. We want to break out of that area and then, really push up to the quad 0666 area. That's where we want to go. We want to get back to that area. So that's what I'm keeping my eye on for now. And so far, so good, guys. It hasn't just broken through the trend line and the little support level right there. It just hasn't broken through. It's looking like a successful retest as is right now what the candlesticks are telling us. But of course, the candlesticks change. How that candle looks right now can look different in 2.5 hours from now. So we gotta be, you know, keep that in mind. So we'll see the story as it's told with the candles closing. That's the most important part, is the candle closing to tell you the real story. And then once we see that, we'll know. But as of right now, with the candle still in motion, with more than half left of its duration, and the last candle, we're still just right here. It can go anywhere. It can go bullish from here, and it could just break through and touch that bottom level one more time. So what we don't want, guys, honestly, we don't want to see this thing start to break through these areas down here. We don't want to see it break through, you know, quad 037 area. We don't want to see that, guys. That's not gonna be cool. Definitely a possibility, because obviously you have a level right there to the left at quad 029 and down to quad 022. And it could definitely touch down there to retest, but we don't want that. That's not good. I mean, for those who got in at the top, right? Me personally and my group will be just fine. In fact, that'd probably be, you know, the best final opportunity to add to the bag, if you know what I mean, right? So, or to take the project serious if you haven't yet, right? So there's a lot of people who missed out, and they don't know, you know, if it's too late or not. And honestly, you know, if I was looking at this like you, as far as has not gotten in yet, I'd be looking at this area right here where we're at right now to take it serious. And then it, you know, worst case scenario, I would also be looking at this area if it did so happen to go down there. So we just gotta be, you know, very much alert, because these candlesticks are telling different stories every single day, right? Just a couple of days ago, we were literally right here, where I honestly thought we were just gonna see this continuation. I'm really shocked, based on the way the candles closed, that we saw this drop, right? But I did say it was a possibility because of the fact that we could retest. And that's exactly what's kind of happening right now. So we'll know within the next couple of 4-hour candles, by tonight or so, you'll know what's happening in this area. Did it really respect it, or is it ready to just kind of break through and go to the next one? All right. So we'll keep our eye on that. I'm definitely going to drop another video tomorrow and keep these rolling, because, you know, we're going towards the holidays. We're in interesting times right now. It seems like we're kind of entering into a bear market with a lot of things. I mean, even the Dow Jones. I traded Dow Jones a lot. Absolutely love trading Dow Jones. You know, we absolutely destroy the Dow Jones, to be honest. And yeah, even that's been very bearish. So, you know, it's kind of like, you know, just the way it is. We go up, we go down. You just got to know how to capitalize on it. So that's pretty much it, guys, for today's Shiba Inu update. Until the next video, make sure you stay blessed and stay bullish.